Hi, I would like to present an AI-powered file manager based upon Agentic AI. Have you ever wondered about how AI could fundamentally change the way we write software? Today I'm excited to show you not just a file manager, but a revolutionary approach to software engineering through custom-built Agentic framework. This project represents a paradigm shift in software development. I've created an agentic framework from scratch that transfers traditional programming into AI-orchestrated system. The file manager is just one example of how this framework can turn complex tasks into intelligent. So I'm using prompts and provide a system prompt that it has to break down the task into subtasks. Then I actually provide the task about it, and I also write some functions, pretty simple functions for exactly like folder scanner, file type identifier, folder creator, file mover, and I'm using online services to compress the file. Then I provide all this information to Gemini, which is a free LLM, and then it produces me a Python code with a sequence of calling the functions. This is the tools and this is the task, and input arguments to each of those functions. And then I extract the code and execute the Python code, and the output is then achieved. So the features for this one is basically it is an automatic file organization. It basically understands what are the file types, and then it creates subfolders based upon these file types, and then it uses image compression to compress these file types. It is all AI powered. I have used Google Gemini API, so I have got API keys for this, and TinyPNG, again it's a free service, and ConvertAPI. Okay. I support both local and Docker installation. I have supported the input folder and the output folder we created. I'll do a short demo also in a bit. So let's dive into the demo. Okay. So this is my file. If you see in the input folder, I have some PNG file, PDF files, and a JPEG file also. So let me just run this one and see how it executes. You just have to wait a minute, and then so what is happening here is, if you scroll down up, we have gone to LLM. The LLM we have set LLM to provide the information like in the prompt, this one. Okay, like given a task, you need to subdivide the task, and the task is about to scan a folder, and then we have asked it to simply provide the steps along with the functions, and it has done so. So it has scanned the input folder, it iterated through the files in the input folder, identified the file types, and this is the functions that it is written. Okay, and then it provides the Python code also as how it would execute and process the files. Okay, so it scans the input folder, iterate through the files in the input folder, identify the file types, create the output folders if this does not exist, move the file type to appropriate folder, and then compresses the file in the output folder. Okay, so if we actually now look into this output folder, and yeah, this is how it get executed. Okay, so we have the Python code from the response server. I have extracted it out. Okay, and just see this again in a bit. So you will see this in the output folder which has got created. We will see that the information is getting updated. You see this PNG and PDF files get created, and it is actually going to online using TinyJPJ and ConvertAPI to actually compress the files and then storing the files inside it. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I've not deleted the uncompressed files, but one can choose to delete that also. Should not be a problem. Okay. So this is all based upon Agentic AI framework. I hope you would like this because it's kind of I see a future of software engineering using Agentic API. Thank you for this one. Bye.